paint pour that I did. I did this on a canvas, but there's other ways to paint pour. I've done a lamp in a paint pour, but today I'm going to do an egg as the paint pour. We're gonna try to do a paint pour on an egg. The first step when you're doing a paint pour is you have to pre-mix your paint. I'm using DIY paint. It's clay-based and all natural. I'm gonna be mixing a top coat DIY big top with my paint. A 50-50 mix of these two. And the reason for that is if I just use DIY paint for my paint pour, it would all blend together and get really yucky. Okay, colors are mixed and ready to go. Now we're gonna see how the heck we're gonna do a paint pour. I know I'm gonna get messy. Maybe we need rubber gloves. Let's get them. I have my egg. This is a solid wooden egg that I got at a craft store. Okay, since the egg is egg-shaped, you can't do a normal paint pour. So what I did was I kind of poured and rolled. It seemed to work pretty well. Okay, now we need a different color. So I have my kissing booth, my petticoat pink. I'm gonna use white swan. We're gonna get some pink eggs. The more I experimented with the paint pour, I found it worked a lot better if I poured onto the paper plate first and then kind of rolled the egg around in it. It had better coverage and much better colors. Although they looked really great in this egg container, it was not the best idea. They stuck to it as they dried. Dry on wax paper. Since small pieces of the egg carton actually dried onto my eggs, I just used a little bit of sandpaper. This was a fine sanding block to remove it. Now it was time to add some sparkle. I used DIY Paint Golden Ticket. It was a liquid patina to sparkle up those eggs. Although you can apply the Golden Ticket straight, I decided to add a little water to it in a cup and water it down so that it would have more of a translucent effect on the eggs. I really liked how this turned out. Okay, the eggs are done. It was a successful mission, I think. You know, there's some things I think we could improve upon. If you have any ideas or if you try this yourself, I would love to hear from you about what worked and what didn't, so make sure to comment below if you've done a paint pour egg. Tell us what worked, what didn't. Thanks so much. If you like this video, make sure to click the like button and the subscribe button so I can continue to provide you more content about how to salvage, repurpose, and create. Thanks so much for joining me.